10th class icse 10th class maths question paper. Okay, so let's start with the video. This is the paper uh, of icse class 10, and okay, it has this section A, and the first question is of uh, choose correct answer type, है ना, MCQ. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss only this part. Question number 1, that is in which we have to choose the correct answer. Options are given to us. So for attempting this part, what students have to do, they just have to simply they need not have to show the solution, they simply have to tick the correct answer. Okay, so let's start the discussion of this paper. So first part, question number 1, part 1. Okay, this is, here it is given that x plus 3 1, 3x minus 7 and minus 5 are in proportion. So value of x we have to find. Okay, so they are in proportion, it means that x plus 3 upon 1 is equals to 3x minus 7 upon minus 5, as they are given in proportion. So when we solve this, we will get the value of x is minus 1. So for this first part, option A is correct, that is answer of the value of x is minus 1. Okay, now come to the second part. Here the question is, mark price of refrigerator is 12,000 and GST paid by the customer is rupees 2160. So rate of GST we have to find. See, here they have given the mark price 12,000. Okay, but discount is not given to us, so it means that this mark price is selling price only. So we have to calculate the rate of GST on 12,000. So let rate be R. So what we can do in this, 2160 equals to R. Let rate be R percent, R upon 100 into 12,000. So when we solve this, we will get R equals to 18%. So option C is correct. Okay, option C is correct, that is rate of GST is 18%. Now come to this third one. They have given that Rakhi's mobile number has the following integer 169891789. What they are asking, we have to find the mode of the given data. So this is the simple one. Simply we have to find the number which is occurring for maximum number of time, and just by seeing the data we can see that 9 is occurring for 3 times. Okay, so mode is 9. So option D is correct. Now fourth one, here they have given A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank which is paying simple interest at 9% per annum. A deposited rupees 1500 for 1 year and B deposited rupees 1200 for 15 years. The amount invested by, okay, amount invested they are asking. So this is in this questions, see, percentage is of no use. Okay, we don't have to make use of this percentage. What we have to find, the amount which we have deposited in the bank, that is only n into p, and number of month into amount depositing each month we have to find. So for A, 1500 for 1 year, that is 1500 into 12 he will deposit. So that will be equal to, see, this one, for this A, it will be 1500 into 12, okay, that is 18,000. And for B, he deposited 12,000 for 15 months, that is 12,000 into 15, again 18,000. So both will deposit the same amount, that is 18,000. So both A and B are same, okay na? Amount invested by A and B are same, and that is 18,000. Now see fifth one, find the equation of a line whose y-intercept, okay, whose y-intercept is 6 and is parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis means a horizontal line, means passing through a point on y-axis. Okay, and they have given that y-intercept is 6, so it is passing through 6, है ना? तो equation of the line is y equals to 6. So option A is correct for the fifth part. Now come to the sixth one. Here they have given that Asha buys rupees 20 shares of a company which pay 9% dividend at such a price that she gets a return of 12% on her investment. At what price did she buy each share? So rupees 20 share, it means nominal value is 20. 9% is the dividend, okay, and 12% is return. So what we have to do here, we just have to apply the formula of return, that is nominal value into dividend upon market value. Put the values of the variables given to us, that is 12 equals to 20 into 9 upon mv, and when we solve it for mv, we will get mv as 15. So correct option is option B, that is 15 rupees. Okay, now seventh part. Here they have asked that the total surface area of solid sphere S1 and hemisphere S2. One sphere is there and another hemisphere is there. And it is given that they are equal. Total surface area are equal. Ratio of R, capital R to small r, we have to find. Now we know that surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, and for hemisphere it is 3 pi r square. Now equating their surface area, we get 4 pi r square equals to 3 pi r square. We have to find the ratio between capital R and small r. So that is r square upon r square equals to 3 upon 4. And on taking root, we get r upon r equals to root 3 upon 2. So the required ratio is root 3 ratio 2. So correct option is option C, that is root 3 ratio 2. So this is the correct option for seventh part, that is C, that is root 3 ratio 2. Now come to this eighth part. Here what they have given in the given diagram, O is the center of the circle and ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If angle CDE is 65 degree, then value of x we have to find. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Now just see this 65 degree, this angle CDE, it is the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So this will be equal to angle ABC, because exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to its interior opposite angle. So angle ABC is of 65 degree. Again AOC is twice of ABC. Both are subtended by the same arc AC. One is at the circumference and another is at the center. So by the theorem we know that angle subtended by an arc at center of the circle is twice of the angle subtended by the same arc on remaining part of the circle. Okay, so this is of 130 degree. Okay, twice of 65 degree. So correct answer for eighth part is D, that is 130 degree. Now come to this ninth part. Nature of root of the quadratic equation we have to find, and the equation is 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equals to 0. And we know that the nature of root depend upon the value of b square minus 4ac. So here what they have given, value of a is 3, value of b is minus 6 and value of c is minus 3. So when we find out the value of b square minus 4ac, that is minus 6 whole square, minus 4 into 3 into minus 3, so we get 72. That is positive. It means roots are real and distinct. Now here one more option is given for the real, that is rational or irrational. Now see, if b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, and we know that 72 is not a perfect square, then the roots are always irrational. Okay, so correct option is option C, real, distinct and irrational. So for this ninth part, correct option is C, that is real, distinct and irrational roots are there. Now in 10th one, assertion A. If a die is rolled, the probability of getting a number greater than 6 is 1 by 6. This is wrong. Okay, we never get a number greater than 6, so it will be 0. So A is wrong, A is false. Now reason, there are six possible outcomes when rolling a die. Obviously we will get six possible outcomes, either 1, 2, 3, 5 or 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so six possible outcomes are there. It means R is true. So correct option is B. A is false, R is true. Now come to this 11th part. Here if the area of two similar triangles are in the ratio 9:64, then ratio of their corresponding altitude is, see here they are asking the ratio of the corresponding altitude, and we know that ratio of the sides is equals to ratio of their corresponding altitude, and this area, ratio of the area is equals to ratio of square of side, and in the same way it will be equal to ratio of the square of the altitude also. So when we have to find out the ratio of the corresponding altitudes, it means we have to take the root of these values. So it is 3:8. So correct option of this ninth part is, correct option of this 11th part is 3:8. Okay, A is the correct option. Now see this 12th one. Here what they have asked, what must be added to x cube plus 7x square plus 3x plus 2 so that the result is completely divisible by x plus 2. So simply put the value of x, that is x equals to minus 2 in this equation, we will get 16. If this 16 will not be there, if we remove this 16, then 0 will be there. So to remove this positive 16, what we have to add? Minus 16. So correct option is option B, that is minus 16. So for 12th one, option B is the correct answer, and answer is minus 16. Now 13th, in the given diagram, triangle AOB is a right angle triangle and C is the midpoint of AB. Coordinate of the point which is equidistant from their vertices of triangle AOB is. Okay, so this is totally conceptual base. Here they are asking the coordinate of that point which is equidistant from all the three vertices, and we know that that point is circumcenter. So they are asking the coordinate of the circumcenter. Okay, now again circumcenter of a right angle triangle is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, and here in this figure they have given the midpoint as C. Okay, so simply by applying the formula of midpoint we will get x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is again x, y1 plus y2 upon 2, y. So correct option is A, coordinates are x, y. So for this 13th one, for 13th one, correct option is A, and answer is coordinates are x, y. Now 14th one, given matrix A is 2 3 1 2, matrix B is 2 minus 4. Okay, product AB, order of the product AB we have to find. See, order of A is 2 cross 2, ठीक है, and order of B is 1 cross 2, and we can only multiply the two matrix when column of the first matrix is equals to rows of the second matrix, and here they are not equal. Column of matrix A is 2 and column of row of matrix B is 1. Okay, so they are not equal, so product of AB is not possible. So option D is correct. Option D is correct for this 14th part, that is product AB is not possible. Now 15th one, assertion A, ninth term of GP is a positive term. Okay, reason R, value of minus 2 raised to power 8 is always, this reason is correct. Okay, if a negative number has a even power, then it will always be a positive, and here 8 is even, minus 2 raised to power 8 will always be positive. So R is correct. Now for this A, let's see. So in A we have to find out T9, that is A R raised to power 8, and from this series we have A equal to 6 and R equals to minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 raised to power 8, again a positive term. Okay, so it will always be a positive. And a ninth term is also positive, and this minus 2 की power 8 is also always positive. So A is true and R is correct reason for correct explanation of A. So both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. So for 15th part, C is the correct option. Okay. So only this much in this video. Okay. In next video, I'm going to explain the remaining questions of section A, its solution, and I will try to explain the marking pattern also for these questions. Okay. So thanks for watching this video.